Hey, what's going on, guys? Josh Gives More here. We're back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own Roblox exploit for free with Easy Exploits API. It's pretty easy if you already know some Visual Studio stuff. So yeah, the language we're going to be coding the exploit in is C#, which is can be pretty easy for some people. So the first thing you want to do, so we're not going to be really coding that much. We're mostly going to be using this tutorial folder. So yeah, to get this tutorial folder, go on the first link in the description, and then it will come as a RAR file, or no, a zip file, and then you want to extract the zip file, and then you'll get this tut folder, also known, which is just short for tutorial. So you're just gonna need this folder, and you're also gonna need Microsoft Visual Studio. Also, you're gonna need .NET Framework as well, which gives you a bunch of tools for Visual Studio that you're gonna need to make the exploit. So the first thing you want to do is just want to open up Visual Studio. So then you just want to click Create a New Project, and then once this loads here, I'll show you guys what to do. Alright, there we go. So what you want to do is you want to go over here, and then if this is all language, change it to C#, and then go to search templates, and then type Windows Forms App. Oh god, Windows Forms App. And if you see this one, if you see this one, don't click this one. You want to click the one below it, which says .NET Framework on it. If you don't have .NET Framework installed, this one will not come up. So yeah, so then you wanna, after that you just wanna click next, and then I'm just gonna name this whatever your exploit name, just put it right here, whatever you want to name your exploit. I'm just gonna name this YouTube X just for the tutorial. So let's press create. As you can see, it made a project folder down there, just like and here we are, and let me go on full screen. Here we are in this is where we are going to make the exploit. So the first thing you're going to want to do is I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the UI here. So with the UI, there's going to be a script hub, there's going to be a script hub, which is going to be a different form. Yeah, there's going to be a script hub, there's going to be a list box, there's going to be a text box where you're going to put your script. And yeah, so first thing you're going to want to do is you just want to click on the form and go over here to properties down here, scroll all the way up and go to form border style, and then change that to none. And then you want to just highlight the whole entire thing again, then go to back color and then change it to any color you want. I'm just going to make like a darkish exploit so it looks good. So I'm just going to do 40 40 40 40, oh god, I can't even type right now. 40 40 40 40 40. There we go. For some reason I'm getting really tired when I talk right now, so yeah. So once you got your background of this, once you got your like background, which is, I just chose this gray background, which is says 40 40 40. So now what you want to do after that, you want to open up the toolbox by just clicking view and then toolbox, and then you will see it right here. So then you want to search up button, and then you want to just click on button, and then click here, and then it will put the button there, and then I'm going to size the button, just like this. So yeah, I'm going to size the button, I'm going to put this in the corner, I'm going to size it, and now I'm going to design it. So to design the back color of the button, you want to go to flat style, and then you want to do flat. Then you'll see it right here. Then I'm gonna make the forecolor white so you could actually see it. So then now I'm gonna get now you can change the font right here. So I'm gonna do Microsoft UI regular, and then I'm gonna change the font to 10. So it looks pretty good here. Now I'm gonna pull this up a little bit. I'm actually gonna put this up a little bit so the exploit is kind of a little bit smaller. Just like this. So this is going to be our execute button. So I'm just going to type execute right here. So then I'm going to control C, control V, and then copy it and make a couple more buttons, then it's gonna be run right here. So I know these are not really aligned, but this is the tutorial. So this one's gonna be clear. You want to type clear right here, and this is gonna be your inject button, and this is going to be your script hub button, which opens up the script hub so you can use it. And this is going to be your refresh button to refresh the list box, which the list box is once you click on a script in the list box, it will load up in the text box that we're going to put there in a second. I don't know why I'm getting really tired when I'm talking right now. So yeah, let's put refresh it for this one right here. Okay, now we got all the buttons done. So now we're going to go to the tutorial folder from earlier and open it up, and then go to needed DLLs and copy both of these. Then go back to Visual Studio and then click this folder button right here, and then go into bin and then go into debug and then paste. Then press cancel. And then let's put this back in full screen, and then go to references up here, right click it, and click add reference, and then click browse, and then it will show up where your exploit is located in debug. So just highlight both of these and then click add. And then the fast color text box is like a cool text box, which you could use for the text box. So yeah, to put it in, so you have to grab it out of the toolbox right here, but it won't originally be in the toolbox. So if it's not in the toolbox for you, all you want to do is you just want to right click, then click choose items. Then once this loads over here, you want to click browse. Then you want to click fast color text box.dlo, then press OK. Then it should be in the toolbox. Search fast. There it is. So now this is going to be our text box where we put our scripts in, just like this. There we go. Now I'm going to design the text box. I'm going to make the back color you can make the back color transparent. I mean, I might just keep it as transparent because it kind of looks. Actually, I'm just going to keep it 30-30-30, which is more like a black color. So now I'm going to change this little line here, which you got to go all the way down, then go to indent back color, which I'm just going to make this as transparent. So here's our basic text box right here. So now I'm going to change the fore color to white, or just control light. Also, you could change the text to the starting text. I'm going to say YouTube X, or your exploit name, level 6 execution. And then if you click this, you could do enter. You could do made by your name here, which made by, you put your name right there. Then we are going to add a list box now. Let's go to the list box, just like that. So now let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's make it as big as the refresh button. So yeah, I think this is a good size. And then let's make it the same exact, let's make it the same exact color as the fast colored text box, so it matches everything. And also let me change the border style to none, so it looks good. So just like that. Let me change the text to white so you could actually see it. Also, I'm going to change the font for the text, which yeah, that's how you change the text, which is really easy. So I'm just gonna put this a little bit more down, just like that, so you could so you can see it like that. So here's the basic UI. So what we're also gonna need to do is we're gonna have to do the label. We're gonna have to do a label. Let's add a label up here. I'm going to make the text Microsoft UI regular and make it to size is gonna be 18, which is gonna be the logo. So I'm just gonna do YouTube X. Also, I'm going to make it white so you can see it, just like this. This is how you make your basic exploit right here. So I'm also gonna move everything a little bit more to the side so it looks a little bit better. All right, there we go. Okay, you know what, I'll just keep it like this. Oh god, the refresh button is kind of messed up. Let me fix that real quick. There we go. Let me see if I can line up. Let me reline up these buttons here. There we go. Now they're lined up a little bit better. So anyway, now we're going to do the draggable form thing. And yeah, now we're going to doing the draggable form thing. Or no, we're going to be doing the top bar first, which is like the thing and minimize. So you want to go back to the tutorial folder, and then you want to go to code, where here are all the codes right here. So now, the thing you want to click on is you want to click on close and minimize. You want to make two oh god, open two of these. You want to copy the button you made from earlier and make two buttons up here. Which this is going to be our, right here is going to be our closing button. It's going to make it a little bit bigger so it looks a little bit better. Then, put this one right next to it. This is going to be our minimize button. So to add the code into it, you just want to double click it. And then in this right here is where you put the code. So I'm going to put the minimize close, which is just this dot close, and also I forgot to put this semicolon here. So let's do the minimize button, which is in here as well. Minimize, copy this, paste it right in there, just like that. And now we're going to do the thing where you could drag your form around, so you can like move it to places. So what you want to do is you want to go to the toolbox and put a panel right up there. Then, yeah, put it right here, like the top. Then you want to go back down here to properties. And you want to go to events. Then go all the way down. Then click mouse down, and then go back, and then click on mouse move. So then you want to close the minimize button, and go back to your tutorial folder, and then go to code. Then go to draggable form. Then what you want to do from here is you want to copy the mouse move and put it under mouse move. And then take the mouse down button and put it by mouse down. And then since the last point is underlined, to fix that, all you want to do is you want to go to the variable down here, copy that, then put it right under initialize component. Just like that. So now you could actually drag your form around. Let's test it out. Let's start this. Once you press start, it automatically builds it for you. As you can see, it works perfectly. Minimize working, close working. So yeah. So now we got the basic UI done. Now we're going to get to the UI, more coding of the UI. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to script. Oh god, we're going to script the buttons now. So we're going to do the execute button first. So to do the execute button, what you want to do is you want to go all the way to the top, or where it says all these usings here, you want to just press enter and then type using easy exploits. Then just like that, then go back to your tutorial folder, and then go to main, and then copy the variable, and then put it right under initialize component, just like that. Then here's the inject code, copy that, and then double click on the inject button, module.launch exploit, and then go to the execute button, copy that, and paste it into the execute button, just like that. And for the clear button, all you want to do is you just want to type fast color text box 1 dot clear. Easy, just like that. So now we got these three buttons done. So now we're going to do the script hub button. Actually, we're going to do the refresh button right now. So this is going to be where we put all of where all the scripts are going to be, and then you click it and then it loads into the next box. Hold on, I had to burp. But anyways, let's go back into our tutorial folder. You want to open up the script box. Is word for list box. You just want to click this. You want to copy that. Then double click the list box, paste it right in there. then what you want to do is you want to copy this code, and then where you're gonna want to put this is you're gonna want to right click on the project, and then go to add, and then do class, and then you want to name this functions. There we go. Just do functions, and then under class functions, type the code that we just copied. And to fix all of this, just right click this, and then do that, and then do system IO. And then for list box, let's do the same thing, and where it says using system.windows.forms. So now we got the list box is working now, but I forgot to do one thing. We have to do a refresh button. So let's go to the refresh button right here, paste that right in there. Oh, never mind, this is underlined. Let me fix this. Just do system IO again. And also you want to click right here on the form. That'll take you to the more like what it does when it loads. Just paste the same code for the refresh button. So now we got our list box working, but we don't have any scripts in there yet. You want to go back to the tutorial folder, then copy the scripts folder, then go into where your source is located, and go into debug, and then paste the scripts folder in here. So now let's go up here and test it. Let's press start, and here they are all loaded in here. As you guys can see, when you click it, it loads up into the list box, and also when you inject, it works. But I don't have Roblox open right now, so it's not working. Also, oh, never mind. We need to fix the clear button. All right, so let's fix the clear button. Oh yeah, I didn't even script that. I think I forgot to script that. All right. Wait, what? Okay, I think I screwed something up. But anyways, let's do fast clear text box dot clear. There it is. Alright, now it should work. Oh yeah, now it works. So now we can load stuff, we can clear it, we can execute, but I need to attach to execute, obviously. But yeah, and also the refresh button is working. Yeah, the refresh button is working just like that. So yeah, so now we got all the UI is all scripted. So now what you want to do is you want to just go to the form1.cs and then rename it just to YouTube X, so it doesn't show as form 1 when you launch it. And then just click anywhere on the form and go over here, and then do where it says text, just do YouTube X. So yeah, because else when you like hover over here, instead of like saying your name, it'll say like form 1 over here, and you don't want it to say that. So yeah, so now we got the basic UI done. So now we're going to do the script hub to do. Oh god, I can't even talk right now. So what you're gonna want to do is you just want to click. You want to go right click I can't even talk right now, I swear. Right click the project and then click add, and then do form Windows form. Then you just want to name this script hub.cs. Then here we got our script hub. Now let's like size it here. So let's do the same thing we did with the last thing. So let's put this as 40, 40, 40. Then let's just copy the panel in this. Then do that. Then make it way smaller. Also, I'm just gonna copy these two buttons. There we go. Actually, I'll just have an X button. But anyways, let's put a panel. Put a panel up there so we could drag it. Let's make it a little bit smaller since we're gonna need a title. Let me put a label. Well, I'll just copy it from this. What? Okay. Let's put this right here. And let's put the YouTube X logo right here, and then rename it to script hub. There it is, just like that. So now we got our script hub title done. So now we're going to do the buttons. So now let's copy. Oh god, what? I just placed something. All right. So now we're going to put a button here. So I'm just gonna put 3 buttons for this tutorial. So this is where when you click on it, it's gonna execute a script. So I'll just put this as infinite yield admin. Infinite yield admin, which is gonna give you admin, which is a infinite yield is a script that gives you admin. Then you can put any script you want here. So then you can put any script you want here. So I'll show you guys how to put your scripts in. So right before we do that, you want to go back to the draggable form folder or draggable form code so you can drag the script hub. So yeah, let's do the same thing. Let's go here and register mouse down. Let's put the mouse down code in there. Mouse down. Then let's do mouse move. We register mouse move. It's like this. Bam. Now we're going to do the variable. Put that right under initialize component. Just like that. So now we got our draggable code done. And now I'm going to show you guys how to make the scripts work. And also let me do this real quick. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to put scripts in here. So now we gotta put the variable for easy exploits. Let's just do the same as this. So because I'm lazy right now and I want to get this video done quick, I'm just gonna copy the easy exploits module from here and put it and under this or over it. Then do using easy exploits. There we go. So now we can do for infinite yield admin, we're gonna have to get the infinite yield script, which is already in the scripts folder. So I'm just gonna find it here. Okay, infinite yield. So it has to be a load string script. So just copy the load string script and go into here. Then you want to type module.execute script. Then do this. And then paste your script. Oh god, paste your script in there. Let me just. I didn't copy it correctly. Then put your script right in there.